Oh, ah, hey, la la dee day. Oh, ah, hey, Marlo way. Winter sun after the breaking rain, blue sky opening over the coastal plain, pelicans gliding on the tannin stream, Marlo waking like a half-remembered dream. Down where the snowy runs out to sea, past the reed beds and the paper bark trees, boats on the water in the town close by, with the surf line shining under a clearing sky. Marlo down at Snowy River's mouth, where the old river still runs south. Though so much water was turned out west, she still comes home where the white waves crest. Oh, I hear the sea wind call, pelicans glide and the tide runs full. Marlo holds you with his quiet truth at the end of the river, Snowy River's mouth. Most people know it from Orbost Bridge, a quick road crossing above the flats and reed. But the real old story runs deeper down, where the river opens wide beside the town. There's a pub light glowing and a boat ramp near, friends on a deck and a cold beer here. Sandhills, backwater boats and sky, and the long brown current still rolling by. Marlo down at Snowy River's mouth, where the old river still runs south. Though so much water was turned out west, she still comes home where the white waves crest. Oh, I hear the sea wind call, pelicans glide and the tide runs full. Marlo holds you with its quiet truth at the end of the river, Snowy River's mouth. She was bigger once and the old folks know, before they bend her inland flow. But after rain, when the floodplains shine, you can see the old strength in her line. Oh, I hey, la la lo, watch that broad brown river go. Hey now, hey, through the salt sea air, Marlo and the Snowy always waiting there. Marlo down at Snowy River's mouth, where the old river still runs south. Though so much water was turned out west, she still comes home where the white waves crest. Oh, I hear the sea wind call, pelicans glide and the tide runs full. Marlo holds you with his quiet truth at the end, river, the Snowy River's mouth. Marlo by the water, where the old river meets the bay.